y'all. Today is August 6th. Let me turn off the car. Today is August 6th, the day that starts, I guess, my maintenance for back to school. I just woke up because it's like 10:45 right now. And my braces appointment is right now too. So I'm about to go change my braces color, and I'm about to go on, I don't know what color I'm gonna get, but I'm not getting this color because this color is ugly. But yeah, so I'm gonna take y'all along with me for my back to school maintenance. I'm not doing anything else other than getting my braces done today that like regards maintenance, but I just found out I booked my hair appointment for the wrong day. It was supposed to be tomorrow, but I found out it's on Thursday, and I have so much to do on Thursday. Okay, let's go to this appointment. Alright, y'all, so I just finished my braces appointment, and y'all, when I tell you, they do way too much. Like, this is the color I got. I have an eruption chain, and that's basically like a chain that's connected to my gum, pulling the tooth down that's like in my nose, basically. So whenever I go for my braces appointments, they pull it down, and it literally hurts so bad. And today, like, the chain was stuck inside of my gum, so they had to rip it out, and it hurt. And I want it, oh my gosh, it's like this dragonfly. I want a tropical smoothie, but like, I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to eat it. Hey y'all, so I'm at my hair appointment for my back to school hair, and I'm getting medium knotless. And I forgot to record when I had first got here, but it's currently 9:22 right now. So yeah, I'm probably about to fall asleep though.
I get money, I'm a star. I get money, I'm a star. お金稼ぐ俺らはスターお金稼ぐ私はスターキラ私はスターHe know who I am, ain't had to say my name. Stack it up like Tetris, but this money ain't a game. Watashi kawaii, kalata. Drinking out the bottle, getting twisted, Maruchan. Big exotic Hermes, this a crock. Watch too expensive, ain't no way I'm getting caught. I think I'm so sexy, every shirt I own is cropped. So many carats, diamonds do the bunny hop. In the US or Japan, if he meet me, he gon' bow. I got yen for your friends, if they pretty, bring them out. Going dumb and Madam Boo, pouring sake in they mouth. Told him put me on his plate, bring them chopsticks to the south. I get money, I'm a star. I get money, I'm a star.
Yeah, so she's about to dip my hair in hot water.
Watashi wa star. Kira. Watashi wa star. 流れる星たちどこに向かうまた願い叶えながら暮らすジュエリー身につけたまま歌うスターたちが集まったスタジオ夜な夜な酒たくさん並ぶ味
Hey y'all, so today is Saturday, and it is day 2? No, it's day 3 of my maintenance. I have to get my lashes done, and then I'm also gonna be spontaneous and get a nose piercing, and then I also have to get my nails done as well. I was gonna get my belly pierced again as well because I already got it pierced, but I took it out a couple months ago, and then I never just put it back in. So I'm probably gonna get that pierced tomorrow, but I don't know if I'll record that because I want to get this video out as soon as possible. So I'm just about to head on to my lash appointment. I wanted bottoms, but I don't know, I don't think I'm gonna get them because I'm afraid that my face is gonna get irritated, and because of like all this packing and like new school stress, I'm like breaking out. Uber is here though. I don't have the car today, so I'm taking an Uber, and we're about to go to my lash appointment. So let's go. I'm really excited though because the last time I got my lashes done was literally for prom, and they lasted a while. So I'm super excited. I'm about to get my other phone real quick because that's the phone where my Uber is on. Yeah, I'm actually so excited. I feel like I'm getting all of my maintenance done early. My first day at school, I guess, or class is the 21st, and it's currently the 10th that I'm doing all this on. But new student orientation week is also something important, and I would never want to look bummy for that. Anyway, I wouldn't want to look bummy for that because this is like everybody's first impression of me anyway. So I would rather just look cute for both and then just try and manage for the first day of class anyway. So yeah. Hi, Uber for Dina? Yeah. Hey y'all, so I got here, but my lash tech is still like setting up because I did come a little bit like early by like 2 minutes. So I look so inflamed, like everything looks so puffy, and I don't know why. I might need an ice roller.
But do you know what you want your highest length to be?
I want it to be pretty long, but like
pretty long. Okay,
yeah.
we can do up to 20. Okay. I'll give you like a 16 to 20.
Okay.
We're recording.
Guys, ooh, what is? Not still a blue, but it's okay.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
Hey guys, so I'm at my lash appointment. Do you want to be on camera or no?
I mean, hey guys, I look a mess.
Yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm done because I'm about to fall asleep.
Girl, make sure you mute this part out. What? Get him.
Yeah, wanna know what it's like. Show me what it's like. I don't wanna got no tights. I just wanna fuck all night. Yeah, yeah. Oh, baby, I need to know. I just wanna fantasize, and we got a lot of time. Baby, can go to bed, 'cause I know what it's like. Yeah, yeah. Oh, baby, I need to know. Got your size, had to subtract the 5. Then it don't throw no codes. Hold up, I'm going wide. We could just start at 10.
Okay guys, so I got my lashes did and they look real full, real nice. I love my lash tech. She is such a sweetheart. So I'm about to text my nail tech and see if she can do my nails today. I hate sitting down for too long, and I was at my lash tech for like 4 hours because she was just like chatting. So but it's no complaints though. But yeah, I don't know if I still want to get my nails done today, but I want to get this video out, so I think I'm just gonna get it done. And then also still I'm gonna get my nose pierced today. So yeah. Y'all, so I'm home now. These are what the lashes look like. I took a shower and everything and kind of just like tried to wind down. I never showed you guys my hair though because I wanted to wait till I got my lashes done so y'all could see. Y'all need to see the parts. Real tea. It's like today wasn't the day for me to film this video because the car is still not here and I need to get my nose pierced, and I'm not gonna call an Uber just to get my nose pierced when it's gonna be like $10 to get it pierced. So I'm just gonna wait for the car, and if it's not here today, like in a timely manner, I'm just gonna go do it tomorrow. Same with my nail appointment. Like if I don't have the car, I'm not going. Y'all gonna catch me tomorrow and the video is just gonna be delayed. Guess who got the car? And as y'all can see, I got the car. So we gotta go run some errands. My piercer is not able to pierce me anymore because she had to go do something, which is okay, but I also don't know when I'm gonna get pierced anymore. Tell me why. I was like, oh dad, I need to go get this piercing, but I meant to say jewelry.
I was like, what are you getting pierced? What are you getting pierced?
Mind your business. I told him I already have the piercing. I don't have the piercing. So yeah, it's a peaceful when he finds out that I get my nose pierced because they not stopping me. It's already there. Yeah, we about to go to the beauty supply, get this jewelry, and run some type of like small errands. I also need to go to Macy's because I need to like get some formal clothes for school because the stuff that I got wasn't good enough. So I need to get stuff for that, and I don't know. We just gonna vibe for real. I'm trying to be in and out because I know what I'm here for, and just literally just for a white dress, brown tights, and black pants. I mean black shoes. That's what I meant. But and if I don't see it, I'm leaving because I honestly really feel like Macy's is like a grandma store. Like I'm too young to be shopping at Macy's right now. I know I look too ghetto for this store, but it's okay. Stuff like this is so cute. Like, you know, just little plain bags. No designer attached to it or nothing. It's just a bag. Okay. I think this is their white section, and I was kind of like hesitating to go over here because it's just a group of grandmas and they dress real nice, and I'm not dressed real nice. You know what? Actually, I think I'm just gonna get this white like sweater because it will go with the dress that I have. And then, how much is this even? It better not be no $90. $109. Y'all, so I found this sweater over here, and it's $53. I feel like I can pay the extra $3. This is what it looks like. It's just a regular sweater because I needed to go with my white dress. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is just get the brown tights from the beauty supply store because they should have them. If they don't have them, then I'm not getting it from here. You know what's crazy? I could have spent my $50 on some Chanel. I could have spent it on any of this because it smells so good. But no, I have to get this grandma sweater. Like, y'all, this is what they want us to be wearing at school. We heading here now. Y'all, why am I heading to the checkout and I see they got Nike Pro shorts? Should I just get them because why not? Or should I get them online? Let me see how much they are on Amazon real quick. I got the shirt, so I'm about to go to the beauty supply store and get the tights and the piercing. And I caught it just in time because it closed. Hello. It closed at 8:30. So, hi, I'm good. It closed at 8:30. Do you guys have any tights?
Oh, go straight down.
Yeah, this is exactly what I need. So we got these. And now let's just go get that piercing. And I think while I'm here, I'm also going to get some edge booster because I'm going to need it for school. Like, I love this place so much. Y'all, so I'm looking for a nose piercing, but I don't know which one I want to get. I can't believe I'm piercing my nose. I don't want a septum. I'm probably gonna get, and these are the other ones they have. I'm probably gonna get like one of these. Ooh, and this is sterling silver, y'all. I'm gonna get me like one. Can I get the sterling silver one?
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. What are you good?
I'm good.
Okay, $199.
So I can see this. How
That'd
much
be
I spent.
$16.93.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You. Hey y'all, so it is the next day. Oh my gosh, I love the way my braces look right now. I just got off the clock. We're about to go get this piercing. I'm so nervous. I told you guys yesterday how my dad was like, oh, what are you getting a piercing for? Like, I basically had slipped up and told him I was getting one. We still gonna get it because I can only be young as her for so long, so we gotta go get it. So I'm about to go to my piercer's house and we're about to get pierced. Oh, this key's not working. The lashes are really eating. The hair is eating. Everything looks so freaking tea. Now I'm about to look even more tea once I get this freaking piercing. Hey guys, so this is my piercer. She's about to do me. Look at her nails. They're teeny side. Right there. I'm scared. I'm scared. A little bit up.
You want more?
Mm-hmm.
Like,
You fake put the earring in there. Okay. No. No.
go, just go. Yeah. That's it.
It's just bleeding, but look. Alright, y'all. So, as y'all can see, I got my nose pierced. I don't know. Like, y'all know, I hate when there's change on my face. Like, it's cute, but I don't know if it fits me. Maybe I just gotta wait. It's kind of like bleeding. No, it's cute. I don't know. I like it, though. I like it. And it didn't hurt that bad like I thought it would. It was like some slight pain. Now I'm done. Braces, done. Piercing, done. Hair, done. Y'all, we about to be ready for Atlanta. Y'all don't even know. Ignore that noise because, yeah, but let me just go home. Good morning, y'all. So today is the last day and we have a lot going on today. As y'all can see, the nose piercing is gone. Let me tell y'all what happened. So I was sleeping, right? My piercing, I'm like, okay, let me just check to see if it's still there, because I'm like a ridiculously wild sleeper. Why I wake up for the second time and it's gone. So today we're about to get that re-pierced because it's gone. Like, you can see the dot, but what is the dot? And then like I have to get my nails done today, but we're about to be on the way to my nail appointment, and hopefully I'm gonna try and get something kind of simple so it doesn't take too long. The first stop is tropical smoothie, because we can't have a day full of maintenance and errands with no smoothie, nothing to eat, nothing to drink. I didn't eat no breakfast, so we gonna get some tropical smoothie today. As you can see right here. Y'all, I got both of them. It took forever though, because it's only like 2 of them working in there. But I got a pomegranate smoothie for my nail tech, and then I got this island green smoothie. Y'all know, if y'all watch any of my maintenance videos, whenever I get the chance to have tropical smoothie, I always get this green thing. It's gonna fill me up every time. Y'all, let's go because I'm kind of late to my appointment. Y'all, so we're at my nail tech's house, or my nail tech's studio. And this is my last time going to my nail tech in Maryland. So I'm gonna get duck nails in the color of her nails. You show them your nails. Yeah, that's what her nails look like. I'm gonna get this color, but I'm gonna get them in duck. Y'all, the nails are done. Y'all not gonna see my nail tech for a while. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm gonna cry. You guys are no longer gonna hear it. It's your girl DVE. Hey y'all, I left my nail appointment and it was so bittersweet because this is the last time that I'm gonna be with my nail tech till November, God willing. So it was just really like sad at the end, like, and she was also one of my friends that I even had to pay a visit to anyway, you know, because we're both going to college, so you know we gotta, yeah. But y'all, the nails look so good. Like, man, I'm Atlanta ready. Like, I literally was not even gonna get my nails done, but I did get them done.
Watashi wa star.